Okay, so life on the farm. Here we go. It's cold winter. The wind chill with the wind chill. The temperature. There's the weatherman says is about approaching zero. So she's our old lady. The others won't get blanketed. Hi, Sadie. Yeah, because truthfully, they all have pretty good little winter coats, and they don't need a blanket. But this gal's got some arthritis, so we do blanket her on really cold nights and windy nights. So I'm just going to walk you through if you've never put one of these on. The fuzzy bit goes at the top of and on the neck, so I always find that first. Now, usually you would put a halter on a horse in case they bolted or spooked and your blanket was only half on, it could be a wreck. But she is so solid. Yeah, it could happen. But even if she does, she's not going to freak out about it. So I just don't help her. So I put the neck part on first, and I don't throw it because these buckles have metal ends. Especially these things have these big, heavy uh, metal ends. And if I throw it, it could swing around and whack her on a joint. And I just think, well, that's not very fair, is it? So I just gently slide it over and let stuff fall to the other side. The back bit has a tail cover, so if the wind is blowing, it keeps the rear end warm. Hi. This gal thinks I probably don't touch that. You'll get shocked. Yeah, you think I probably have more food for you, don't you? Okay. So you get it on them. Get all the buckles so they're hanging down in the middle, and you do this front latch, the front fastens first, snug enough that it's on, but not choking them. These have snaps, so it's pretty easy. And then you do the back leg ones next. And that way, if a wind did catch it, you've got the front anchored, and then you have the back end one. Now these are elastic, and they attach up front, and then they crisscross. Everybody's got the thing they like. It's like she's got weeds in her tail. But I like to crisscross the back legs. Now you'll notice I'm standing right behind her. She's so broke. I break all the rules. Okay, so once you get those crisscross, these are naturally, they're made to crisscross. You see how it's an angle. So I reach underneath her. This one pulls forward and latches. And while I'm doing this, I just take a look and just see how she feels. Just get a good, she's actually kind of tight. I'm glad I'm putting a blanket on her. Her muscles are pretty tight. And that just happens because it's cold. But in the daytime, we had some sun, and that feels good on their skin. So I let her enjoy that, but I can feel she's needing a blanket. Good girl. All right, that's how we do it.